In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Calendly to Mailchimp and automatically add and tag new bookings. By the end, your Calendly events will feed straight into your Mailchimp audience, keeping your contacts organized without any manual work. Make sure you're signed into both platforms and that you have permission to manage integrations in your Mailchimp account. Start by opening Mailchimp. From your main dashboard, look for the Integrations section. You'll usually find it in the main navigation or under your account tools, and it's where Mailchimp lists all the apps it can connect with. This is the hub that lets Mailchimp exchange data with services like Calendly. Once you're on the integrations page, use the search bar to find Calendly. Type Calendly, and you should see the official integration appear. Click into the Calendly integration to open its details page. Here you can review what the integration does and what data will flow between the two platforms. Next, click the button to connect or add the integration. Mailchimp will prompt you to sign in to Calendly if you aren't already. Enter your Calendly login details securely and proceed. After logging in, Calendly will ask for permission to share information with Mailchimp. Click Authorize or Allow. This simply grants Mailchimp the access it needs to receive booking details, like names and email addresses, so it can create or update contacts. With access granted, you'll be asked to choose your Mailchimp audience. Pick the list where you want new booking contacts to land, such as a newsletter or a dedicated project news audience. Selecting the right audience is important to keep your communications targeted and compliant with your email practices. Now decide what should happen when someone books a meeting. Choose Add to audience to ensure the person is created or updated as a contact. You can also apply a tag, which is optional but highly recommended for segmentation. Tags like Calendly booking, lead, or client call make it easy to filter contacts and trigger email automations or follow-ups tailored to the type of appointment they booked. Finally, save your settings. This locks in the connection and your chosen rules. From this point on, any new Calendly booking will automatically sync to your selected Mailchimp audience with the tags you set. If you ever adjust your audiences or tagging strategy, come back to this integration to update your preferences. That's it. Your Calendly to Mailchimp workflow is now live and ready to streamline your bookings and email marketing.